Hey guys, Johan here from Trading Walk, and in this video I want to show you this USD JPY trade I took and exactly why I took it. Alright, so as you can see here, we bought USD JPY down here and we sold up here. So I want to show you the step-by-step process I followed to take this trade. So the first thing is I looked at this and saw this huge drop right here. And usually when we see these kind of drops, often we see the price come back up again to the top of the drop. So I knew price would probably come up to this area again after I saw this drop. So down here I was interested in buying, and as soon as I saw some really interesting price action right here, which I will talk about, which made me decide to enter a buy signal at this area. And as I said, I knew with a high probability that the price was going to come back up again to this area, and we had resistance up here, so that was a logical area for me to close the trade. So what was the primary reason for buying here? Well, it was this short pattern, the ascending triangle. So you basically first have an impulse and you have a consolidation, and this consolidation builds up pressure. And I like the ascending triangle best of these patterns because the resistance area is horizontal and you build the pressure, so it's consolidating more and more until finally, like a spring, it shoots up. So you often see very explosive moves from these kind of short patterns. And as you can see in the chart here, this is how it looks. So we have the resistance area, we have the pressure building up from beneath, and from that area price shoots up and gets in this. So I talked about in this resistance area. So very, very nice. And if we zoom down to this area and look at a smaller time frame, we can see that from the low here, where we had lower highs and lower lows, and then we finally broke lower high, so we made higher high right here. When we get a new higher high, we want to buy the retrace, and the best retracement level is the Fibonacci 50%. So when you have the high, you draw the Fibonacci from the high to the low and you get this level, and as you can see here, we hit that level perfectly. So you could have bought here as well. So looking again now at the 1 hour chart where I took the trade here based on the ascending triangle, I basically just entered a stop limit order and I placed my stop loss below the most recent higher low in this ascending triangle formation. So entry, stop loss, and my take profit in the area I talked about previously here, the resistance area. And as you can see, this played out beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll upload more of these videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.